The Gilson M36 rolling thin film oven is manufactured in collaboration with Applied Test Systems. The precision components of this rugged unit enable users to easily control the temperature and airflow, and the RTF, the simple operating process of OS straightforward, requires minimal training. Specimen characteristics are measured before and after conditioning to determine values. The integral flow meter monitors and controls the wind flow at a certain 4,000 milliliters per minute and Gilson RTF. It is a double-wall stainless steel oven. With a maximum operating temperature of 200 degrees Celsius, the rtfo has a NIST-traceable platinum RTD temperature sensor that measures the temperature plus or minus, correctly controls at 1 degree Celsius. A thermal shutdown switch is activated at 215 degrees Celsius to protect the stove from overheating. The test time for heating from ambient to set point test temperature is 20 minutes, and RTF, the complete heat recovery time after loading the sample bottles, is 5 to 8 minutes. Gilson M36 RTF, the controlled heated airflow of the O is directed towards the opening of the horizontal glass bottles as they rotate on a carousel rack, simulating short-term aging during production operation and ripening operations. A jog feature rotates the carousel, resulting in RTFO, and the bottles can be easily secured in the carousel. Soft silicone ring. This time-saving improvement eliminates the costly downtime associated with spring clamp system breakdowns and reduces the scratching of expensive RTFO bottles associated with other rotating thin film oven models. RTFO has improved maintenance features such as an easy-to-remove bottom tray that allows for quick change of components or spill cleanup. And the bushings in the fan are made of graphite for a long service life, so that the Gilson M36 rolling thin film oven is the right choice for your material testing laboratory. Certified MTP has the right equipment for your asphalt testing needs. Order the product now without delay. For more information, visit Certified MTP.